Hi there, my name is Tony. I'm a manufacturing engineer at Leatherman Tool Group in Portland, Oregon. I'm here today to talk to you about the OHT, the world's first full-size, one-hand operable multi-tool. The OHT is made with 100% stainless steel with black oxide coating. It is also available with tan Cerakote handles. Packed inside the 4.5-inch frame are 16 tools, like spring action pliers, wire cutters, knife blades, strap cutter, oxygen tank wrench, cleaning rod attachment, and more. The best part about the OHT is it's 100% one-hand operable. This means you can open close knife blades, lock unlock screwdrivers, and access the pliers with one hand. To deploy the pliers, press the buttons on the side and you're ready to go. To close the jaws, press the buttons and flip the tool over. Whether it's cleaning a firearm, tightening a screw, or cutting paracord, the OHT has all the tools to get the job done quickly and efficiently. The OHT is covered by our 25-year no-hassle warranty. For more information on our warranty or other Leatherman products, visit us at leatherman.com or check us out on YouTube or Facebook. If you're ever in the Portland area, stop by for a factory tour and see firsthand how the OHT is made.